how to download or how to install Jiomeet app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install or download Jiomeet application. That is a meeting application for Android. So today in this video I'm going to show you. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, first of all, you need to go to your Google Play Store here, and after going to your Google Play Store, just simply click on search bar and then you have to type here Jiomeet. So you can see here Jiomeet says you need to click on simply search and you can see here Jiomeet application. So this is the application for install for meetings. So what you need to do to download or install, you just simply need to click on install option and then wait for a while waiting for download. So after doing this, in a meanwhile, your Jiomeet application will be downloaded in your Android device and then you can use meeting on these apps. So guys, you can see here it's in installing. So let us wait and it's done. So now guys, you can see here my Jiomeet has been downloaded. You can see here this is the one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.